each one is a slash, 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 slash.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Drop in behind the knife. Remember, the tip of the blade must always face your opponent, like a flashlight. Illuminate, think of it like the barrel of a gun. Point where you want to destroy. Point where you're okay cutting or stabbing. Protects the hand as well, because if my hand moves up, it's easy access, it's open. If the hand's down, and again, I'm in movement a little bit here, I feel a lot more protected. They have to come at some oblique angle to get me. Visualize their hand coming in. We're in log on range. So it's a quick turn and it's a high. It's a cut. So it's a quick cut. Remember, just a circular cut. Remember the shoulders. Cut. Again, look at this offhand. It shows how much high, drop back. Now, we can have a little backhanded cut. And see how there's a little flick in there? Cut low. Right back up to high. Big turn with the hips. Okay, so you've got high, turn low, high. High, low, high. High, low, high. Turn the side a little bit. High, low, high.